guys to another episode of Riding the Reaper, and welcome to 2021. First video for 2021, and we're just going to be giving the Reaper a nice wash today, inside and out, because she's fairly dirty. I haven't given her a wash inside for quite some time, to be honest, which is really embarrassing. But we're going to try some new products today, some cleaning and detailing products that I bought over at one of our car meets, and it is from HARVEL. And just to show you guys the products quickly, you can see them standing there in the background. We're going to be testing a mag shine, a tire shine, and a luxury car fragrance as well, which is oil based, which is pretty nice because it lasts quite long. I sprayed it in Andre's car, and it actually lasted pretty long. It got smelted about a week later still in his car. So yeah, it's actually pretty awesome. They got really nice fragrances. It's like perfume fragrances and so on. So yeah, it's really awesome. Let me just show you the products quickly. So here they are, the mag shine from HARVEL automobile liquids. And yeah, I've used this before. As you can see, I've used a bit already, but I'm going to show you on camera today the results. They're actually pretty good. I really like this stuff. I haven't used the tire shine yet. I've used this, but not in my car. After I give the Reaper a nice clean, I'm gonna spray some of this luxury fragrance. I got the black edition because to me it smelled the best. It's got a nice clean, manly smell. It's not perfumey or florally or anything like that. It actually smells quite nice. And then the tire shine. The tire shine I would really like to give a good test, because I've been using a lot of different tire shines, silicone based and all this nonsense on these tires, and they get a good result. I used tire polish as well, but I don't know, it just it seems to me as these tires just soak up everything, and they don't really get as shiny as what I would like them. But yeah, as you can see, Reaper's fairly dirty, so we got the pressure washer out. We're going to be giving her a nice clean. Got some polish wax in there with a nice microfiber that we always use on the car. And then we're going to go to the interior, which, as you can see, is pretty dirty. And yeah, dash, as you can see in there, it's pretty dusty and dirty. So I'm just going to give it a nice wipe down. I bought a nice bottle of upholstery cleaner as well, so we're going to be using the hydrovac, getting the seats all nice and cleaned, sucking that all up again. You can see it's very windy in Cape Town the last month or so, and yeah, as you can see, it's really just blowing dust and sand everywhere. So it's probably going to be a bad idea washing the car, because it's just going to get blown all dirty again. But I need to wash her. She's filthy. So yeah, no, not the best of looks. So yeah, let's test out these products. I'm going to just give her a quick spray down with the pressure washer. I'm gonna get the tire shine on and I'll show you that. So yeah, let's just take a look, see what it does. So I got the tire and the mag nice and wet, and then you just want to spray. See this wind? Just watch this. Just blows this shit all over the place. Doesn't even get on the tire. So just spray a generous amount on here. The first time I used it, I didn't wet the mag, and I didn't use a pressure washer, so you might not see as much dirt coming off this time around. But try and get it in all these holes and crevices. And I just like spraying a generous amount on each mag. Yeah, so what I like to do, guys, is after I've left it for a minute, I take this mag brush. You can pick it up at any of your automotive or hardware stores, and I just like to get in, I don't really like this brush as much because it doesn't get in all the tight little corners and so on. But it'll do. It does scrub pretty decently as well. Okay guys, so with the pressure gun, just to show you all the dirt that'll come off here now. Look at that difference. But I'm going to take off those caps and I'll show you underneath the real difference. See the back as well. Nice and shiny. Okay guys, now comes the real test. Let's get some cleaner in there. As you can see, the dirt's just flowing off already. And I say you should keep it for a minute. Okay, so this is the one we got with the tire shine mag cleaner, whatever you want to call it. Look at the difference. And that's without using the brush. As you can see, there's still some dirt there that you just need to use a brush with. That's without using the brush, guys. You see this one, it's a lot more dirtier. All that brake dust. And look at the difference there. And that's without using a brush. Okay guys, so as you can see, got the Reaper all spotless. Look at that mirror finish. Yeah, got it all nice and clean, also dried. Mags, I don't think the mags have ever been so clean. You can see I'm still going to silicone that on those pieces, you know, the pieces you silicone, carbon fiber, and yeah, still haven't siliconed the tires either, so we're going to do that now. Just going to take a short break and then tackle the interior. So work hard, play hard. Yeah, just a short break, short drink break, and then I'm going to vacuum the interior. Got a nice carpet cleaner or interior cleaner as well that I'm going to try, and yeah, going to get that interior nice and clean. So I've removed all the mess from the car, the two front and the two back, and I'm just going to vacuum them up quickly with just a normal vacuum, and then we're going to be using the carpet or upholstery cleaner on them. I'll show you how that works as well. We leave them to dry and then we basically just vacuum over them again once the upholstery cleaner has done its job, because it loosens all the dirt from the bottom, brings it to the top so that you can vacuum it up. I'm going to doing the same for the seats inside the car, the seats and the carpet, and then we're going to be putting some dash shine on the car, clean the windows on the inside, and then get some of that new luxury air fragrance or car fragrance in the car. And then we're going to be doing the silicone and tire shine just so that it's completely dry. You want your tires really dry and the silicone really dry when you apply any silicone or shine to the car, any silicone shine or silicone compound to the car. You don't want to apply that on wet because it's just going to run right off, because it is almost like an oil based compound. So I got myself the Shield upholstery and carpet cleaner. We're going to be using this today. As you can see, it's got a nice little brush. You basically spray it and you brush with the brush. It's got a nice soft bristle to get all in between the carpets and so on. We're going to be using this today on the carpets and on the interior in the car, so seats and carpet inside the car as well, just to get it all nice and clean, and smells pretty good as well. So as you can see, it removes grime and ingrained dirt and stains. So yeah, I'm going to be using this today and see what this is. The first time using it, so see what results we get from this. Okay guys, so it comes out like shaving cream. You basically spray it on the carpet, and then I'm just holding it because the wind's terrible, and basically just rub it into the carpet. It's not a very good design with most of it going onto the sides, as you can see. So you just sort of keep basically spreading it on with your hand. It actually brought up all the dust and dirt and stones and everything out of the carpet. So you can see the foam is full of it. So that works pretty well. I must say those bristles work pretty well in getting the dirt agitated and out of the carpet. Okay, so I got the Reaper all nice and vacuumed inside. As you can see, all that shit is gone. And we're just going to do the upholstery cleaner now quickly. Then we're going to take a damp cloth, wipe down this dash, steering wheel and so forth, door panels. And then we're going to get some nice dash shine on the car, just to get the dash all nice and shiny and protected again. Then we're going to put down the perfume. Guys, it's officially time for the tire shine. It basically says it can be sprayed on or wiped on. Oh shit, almost fell. Yeah, I'm basically just going to rub it on. You can see the tire is nice and dry. I'm going to rub it on. It says if it dulls, then you do it over again up until it's got a nice wet look. So yeah, let's give it a try, see what happens. Get away, move it. Okay, so I really like the consistency of this tire shine. It's like a gel almost. It's very thick. If Gaia can just allow me to show you guys. So you just take a nice generous helping of it and get that nice and thick on the tire. See guys, even showing you guys how it must happen. That must go on. Okay. Drop the product. That's nice. Nice product placement there. Then you just rub it into the tire. They say if it dulls, you can rub another portion on up until the tire soaks it in and gives it a nice black wet lick to the tire. And I must say, I'm pretty impressed with it because all the other tire shines I've used so far, the tire soaks it up too quickly. I'll put it on and basically the tire will soak it up immediately and it will be dull as soon as I finish rubbing it. But this is already staying longer than the tire shines. So now I'm just applying the luxury car fragrance, the Black Edition from HARVEL. And what I'm doing is because it's oil based, you can just give it a couple of squirts onto your upholstery. I like squirting it everywhere, and then or spraying it everywhere, and it smells amazing, and it lasts quite long because it'll pull into the upholstery and will stay there quite a long time. And it is a 50ml, so you can be generous with it if you'd like, because I've used this twice already and there's still quite a bit in. I'm just getting it nice all over, and then I'm just going to spray it on the carpet that I have to replace. That's still over there. Just need to wash them, not wash them, just need to vacuum them because I used the upholstery cleaner on them already, and then the Reaper should be done. Guys, so we just finished up with the Reaper, doing everything that we planned on doing: the tire shine, the upholstery cleaner, the fragrance for inside, or the perfume for inside of the car, and also the mag shine. And these are the results. Results, guys. As you can see, those products that we used from HARVEL are extremely good. I would really recommend them. If you do like any of their products, please go and follow them on Instagram and Facebook. Their contact details are in the description box below, and also if you do want any of their products, please contact them or DM them on the Instagram page. And yeah, I'm not a sponsor or anything like that, or sponsored by HARVEL at all. I just bought their products the one day, and the owner of the company is really nice. He was personally out there that day by the commies, and spoke to him for a while, and he's a really cool guy. Bought a couple of his products, said I'll do a review on the products, and so I did. And he never asked me to do any of it. I just decided out of my own that I was going to do it, just to show off the product, because it is, again, a local product, and we're trying to support local, trying to support the local YouTubers, the local businesses. And yeah, he started that empire all on his own, so that's pretty awesome. And his products are really good. As you can see, the tire shine, I really like that, because I've been using silicone based products. Every other tire shine that I've ever used, as soon as I put it on, the tire just soaks it up and it's dull again. This has a long lasting effect. This is a good 20 minutes, 15 minutes later, and it's still got a wet glossy look. So I'm really impressed with that. But yeah, guys, like I said, please give him a follow, DM him if you want any of his products. He's got a whole bunch of other products, anything detail and cleaning related. And yeah, lastly, if you like the channel and you do like the content and you can't wait to see further content on the Reaper or any other car meets or anything car related here in Cape Town, please consider liking the channel, or subscribing to the channel, sorry, liking the content, and drop a comment every now and again. I try and reply to all the comments that I can. Sometimes you don't get around to it, but I try and reply to everyone's comment. I just think it builds up a better community that way. So yeah, and I'll definitely see you guys at the next event. 2021 is going to be awesome, but remember, do follow the COVID rules: social distancing, masks, and sanitize those hands. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. It's Riding the Reaper. Peace out.